Today we're going to look at powers of monomials. My video once again cut off the top of some of the screens, so I apologize in advance for that. When we raise an exponent to an exponent, we're going to multiply the exponents and keep the base. For example, x to the fourth squared is the same as x to the fourth times x to the fourth. So we could add those exponents, which is x to the eighth, or just multiply the 4 by the 2 and get x to the eighth. Take a look at all the examples that we have for you, and then let's do some problems. The answer to number 1 is a to the 12th. That got cut off, I apologize. A to the 3rd to the 4th is a to the 12th. X to the 5th to the 7th is x to the 35th. 2x to the 5th is 2x times 2x times 2x times 2x times 2x. We could expand it out and get 2 to the 5th times x to the 5th, or we could just know that we have to raise the 2 to the 5th power and the x to the 5th power. 3a squared cubed. Make sure you know the 3 gets raised to the 3rd power, and then the a squared to the 3rd, we multiply exponents. Negative 12 gets squared, m to the 3rd gets squared, and we're left with 144 m to the 6th. Number 6 gets cut off. 2m to the 3rd squared is 4m to the 6th. Number 7, negative 3 gets squared, which is 9. X cubed gets squared, which is x to the 6th. And y squared gets squared, which is y to the 4th. Here we have to work with the numerator first, and now we divide monomials. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and x to the 4th divided by x to the 3rd is x to the 1st. 16a squared b to the 14th divided by 2a to the 5th. 16 divided by 2 is 8. There are 3 more a's in the denominator, and then b to the 14th cannot be simplified. Finding the area of a square. Area of a square is side squared. So we can do 8g to the 3rd h and square that and get 64g to the 6th h squared. The volume of a cube is side cubed, or length times width times height. So we could do 5r squared s cubed raised to the 3rd power. 5 to the 3rd, r squared to the 3rd, s cubed to the 3rd, results in a volume of 125 r to the 6th, s to the 9th. 12 gets completely cut off. 2x cubed, y to the 6th, cubed. I'm going to expand this one out. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. X cubed times x cubed times x cubed is x to the 9th. And y to the 6th times y to the 6th times y to the 6th is y to the 18th. Pause the video and work on these additional problems. You can't see the first one. The answer is 6 to the 20th. Pause the video and continue to work on the next 3 problems after that and check your answers.